Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm building Rasenrampage. It's my first effect level and I think it's going pretty good because I'm using a lot of triggers. And usually before I didn't touch triggers at all because I had no idea what they did. So, I think this is a pretty good start. So I'm just going to build this part, which is the glow. And when I say glow, I'm going to try and build. So when you touch it, there's a streak of glow. So to do this, I'm going to put this here. Then I'm going to do the same thing, except for I'm only going to take two. Or do this. Actually, I think I need three. And before I finish, I'm going to put this on a group. So this one's group 12, this one's group 13. Okay, so I'm gonna put group 12 and 13 here. Fade time 1. 12, 13. This is the most amount of triggers I have ever used in my entire life. So it turns out I actually forgot to put the right group number. I put the wrong group number. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing with this. I'm just gonna go to group 6. I'm gonna put this on 14 and this on 15. I'm using a lot of alpha triggers. Hold on, what number did I put them on? 14 and 15, alright. So 14 15. So let's check the level so far. I think it looks pretty good. Hold on, let me just do, I'm gonna do this one. And no, I'm not gonna do this for every orb in the level. Rotate thing is blocking my view. This is honestly my best level yet. So let's see. I have a lot of triggers here, as you can see. Only 13 seconds and 1,405 objects. Okay, so I'm gonna go to group 42. I mean 3. Yeah, 43 is good. Okay, so right now I'm working on the effects, not really the gameplay. So, for the next effect, I'm going to do, I'm just gonna do like a little lightning bolt. That's what that scribble you see right there is. So I'm gonna just do this. But I'm checking something. Sometimes I get carried away and I just like copy and paste something in a circle like what I'm doing right now because I get bored of building levels. So I'm gonna put in a little ship section here. I'm gonna go back to the gameplay half, which is just group 0. I'm gonna change my background and ground. So I'm gonna put like, this can be blue and the first part is black. And when I do the finishing result, I'm going to make a video on it. It's going to take me a while to finish it. But this is going to be my best level yet. I say that a lot, but seriously, this time is my best work. I never used this much triggers in my entire life. So let's check the gameplay so far. actually forgot to put the club step monster. Oh, actually, I forgot I have these. Hold on. Let me do something with this. That actually looks pretty cool. I'm gonna like do that. Hold on. I'm just gonna make this flash real quick. I'm gonna put an alpha trigger for 16. I think this is 16, 17. They just like put this trigger all the way back here. So I'm gonna make this flash into this portal. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty cool. Okay, let's test the level. And of course, I forgot to put the club step monster again. Okay, so this one is gonna be like the ones in the body eater. So first I'm gonna put the spikes down. I'm gonna put it on editor layer 0 so it's easier. What color are these things? Okay, they're black. Nice. I'm gonna make a club step monster like this. You know what? I'm actually gonna be lazy here because I did a lot of trigger work. I'm using that as an excuse right now. So I'm just gonna be lazy here and try it just. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna put this on 22. Wait, is that base? Oh, yeah, it's base. Dang it. I'm gonna put this on color 1 and base 22. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. This is taking a while, so I'm gonna end the video once I finish the club step monster. 122. It was at this moment that he knew he had messed up. Okay, so now I have to delete this again. Editor layer 0, 0, go here, put the thing here. I'm going to put this on B3, and that's better. Okay, so I'm going to decorate this a little bit, which means I have to delete this because that would just be... I'm just going to put this glow in here, you know, like, because I'm being lazy right now. You know, I like getting lazy with it. Okay, that actually makes sense, but still. Hold on. Oh, no. Okay, so it was color 24. 23. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. 40. Do that. Okay, so I'm gonna do another color in 26. Blending, opacity, 90. I kind of want it to be like a reddish color. Yeah, that's better. That's way better. Let me just put this a little bit up. And boom. Let me just cut this off. Ooh! Okay, so I'm gonna put this up a little bit because it looks tight. Okay, let's see the level. Ooh. It looks really good. So that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye. See you in the next one. And before I leave, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Oh, if you think I did a good job on the level. This is GT Zeta signing out. Peace.